Hello guys. Today video we try to see what are the things that you can focus on when you are doing day trading. Understand that day trading you should work during the day, since the market is open from 9:30 to 4 o'clock. So in stocks you don't have to work like in the early morning, like 4 or 5 or 6, although the market is open in pre-market. You can do that, you can buy, you can sell if there is activity for the stock, especially when there is earning or there are news. The most important thing you should understand that day trading has no relation with swing trading or with investing. Now, a lot of people, although they know this, but sometimes they get confused. Now, this is how they get confused. A guy sent me an email. He say, okay, I was doing a day trading. Okay, I bought stock in the morning, but things go worse. So I begin to lose money. So I let it until the end. It means until 4 o'clock. And then I have the idea. I say to myself, oh, let it for tomorrow. Now, if you let it for tomorrow, it means you hold the stock for tomorrow. This is not day trading. This is the first thing you should master, is don't confuse yourself with day trading versus swing trading. Swing trading is another thing. Okay? Swing trading is we follow trends in the market. Trends could be days, could be weeks, could be months. This is a swing trading, or what we call short-term trading. But day trading is specific for the day. Now, each day is different. The days are not identical. Okay? The guys who are working in the day, it means they are day trading. Some they are always there for this stock. Some they move from stock to another stock. Now, for you, you can do this. You can, if you like a stock, let's say you like a stock because it moves fast and it is in your range of price. Let's say you don't have that much money and you like just stocks that are $10, $12, $15, or they are $7. It means you like small stocks. So you can specialize in one stock. Only you do one stock. Every day in the morning you are following this stock. You follow the news in the morning. Okay? This, it becomes for you easy. Because in the morning, sometimes they say they give news for this kind of companies. Sometimes it is a bad news. So in the day, you understand that it might be going red, so you have to sell short. So you prepare yourself from the beginning that it might be going down, so you prepare yourself. You know how many shares you want to buy. You see the price, you know what price you will sell short. It means you prepare yourself. It means you plan. Okay? And you can set a stop loss. What does it mean? You set a risk. Okay? By percentage or by whatever you want. If you don't understand how to do stop loss and percentage and the other stuff, you can check training level 6. It will explain all that. Now, why I speak about risk? Risk, it means whenever you buy something, don't think how much you will make. Think first about how much, if the market is against you, how much you can afford to lose. This is so important in day trading. Now, why is that? Let's say you buy a stock, let's say $5,000. You buy 100 shares, or you buy 200 shares or 300 shares, depending on which stock's price are you buying. And then you should put the risk, how much money you can afford to lose. Let's say you say $200, just an example, okay? So whenever you want to buy, you should know where you exit if the stock doesn't go your way. And understand that stocks in general, they don't go from the beginning at 9:30, they go down, oh, they continue to go down. No, there are some play in the beginning. So sometimes the stock opens, it doesn't go up a little bit, just a few cents, and then it go down. So this day is for short selling. Sometimes it goes up a little bit, like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or 20 minutes, and then it goes down, and then it is a sell short stock. Now, sometimes the stock opens, and then from the open, it goes up the whole day. So this is you go long. And sometimes the stock goes down, you think that it is for selling short, and then after a few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it go up again and it crosses and it is a good day. So in order to practice all this, you should have techniques. These things is known by practice. Even if you have techniques and you don't practice and you want just you go in the market and you make money, this will never gonna happen like this. Okay? That's why a lot of people, they try to do day trading, but they don't have techniques or good techniques. Okay? They see at 9:30 the stock begins to go up, they buy. But after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it go down and they begin to lose money, but they don't exit. And they get this hope that the stock will go up again. And the most killer for any day trader is this kind of hope. You are doing a business, so there is no hope in business. Either you know what you are doing or you don't know what you are doing. Okay? So these techniques, you should practice them for months, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Even if you want to do, let's say, to do virtual trading, or you can install my chart that I am using here on YouTube. This chart I'm using, you can install it. It is there is a plugin. You install it. It works only with Internet Explorer, and there is a training for it if you want how to use lines. This is visual. It means when you begin to do day trading, you use the lines. For example, a blue line, the open. Whenever at 9:30 the stock opens, put a line at that price, and you just click on the first candlestick, and it will give you at what price the day begin in that stock. Now that line, you can use blue line or you can use any line, is the line that it is so important for you, because if it is up, it's a green. If it is down, it is red. So simple. Okay? It is so simple. But understand that although it is simple, it is not simplistic. Simplistic, it means it's not anyone who can do it. So you need to practice. It's like when you go to do, for example, bodybuilding. Now you are a big fat man or woman, you are watching me. This is just, okay, I'm sorry, I'm just telling you that you are big, a big man, you are fat, or you are a woman, you are big, you eat too much, you don't exercise. Okay, in order to have results, and you should go to do exercise and take care of yourself and eat less and eat healthy. So you need to do something. Now this something, it's not gonna happen in 1 day or 2 to lose a lot of weight and to be in a good shape. You need time. You need to sweat. To have sweat, it means you exercise. Why you when you want to exercise and you have a good body, either you are a woman or you are a man, you go to exercise and you take it serious. You go 3 times a week or 4, or I don't know. Some people, they do it daily. in order to have results. But when you come to trading, you just want results the same day. It will never gonna happen. You should study day trading, study techniques, apply them until you understand what you are doing. When you understand what you are doing, you begin to see the green. And without practice, without techniques, you won't, because you just do what you call hit and miss. It means you don't know what you are doing. Sometimes you say, okay, this stock today, I will sell short this stock. I don't care. I just want to sell short. Maybe the day is red, so I am right. Now, you can never do that. You can never make results. Results come in everything, in trading, in whatever you do. It comes with exercise, with techniques, okay? And with patience. You should be patient. I have seen a lot of people who do 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and then they begin to see the green, and then it will be a simple game for them. Okay, the stock, it must go up or down. So you just figure out this thing, and that's it. Whenever you figure out that the market is going up or down, and that's it. You can make money. So don't try to be perfect in day trading or swing trading or anything you do in stock market. There is no perfect thing. There is no perfect. It doesn't mean that you begin with the bottom and you go with the top and you make money. For example, the low of the day, let's say the low of the day is $20. 22 is the highest in the day. Don't tell me that you want to do that. You can't do it, and don't do it, because this is perfectness. It doesn't work like this. For you, in order to make money, you don't need to have $2 in a stock to make money. 50 cents, 80 cents, $1, $1.50, depending on the stock itself, you can make a lot of money with ease. We are not going to be perfect in doing day trading or swing trading or short-term trading or whatever trading. You should not be looking for perfectness, because it doesn't exist in stock market. Stock market is just you snapshot something from the day and you make your day and you make some money. That's it. Sometimes you make a lot, sometimes you make less, sometimes you are break even, sometimes you lose some money. This is the market. Okay? Another thing, for those who wants to do day trading after 1 year or 2 years, and they begin to know, you should need to have money, some money, in order to continue doing day trading daily, because you know the day trader pattern rule. If you can't do more than 3 stocks in a week, in 5 days, you can't do more than 3. If you do 5 and you don't have $25,000, your broker will stop you, because you are doing day trading without having the money. This is just FINRA rules. A lot of people, they know about this. Another thing, if you want to do selling short, you should use margin account. Okay, you should need margin account to do day trading. Another thing is that look at your broker if he has good execution. Sometimes you find a good stock with high volume, like 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, and then you buy by the ask. Okay, you buy by the ask, and then you are waiting 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and you are not filled. It means here that your broker execution is not good. So you should change, because day trading is a game of quickness. If you want to buy something and the market doesn't give it right away, it means that this broker is not good. I have seen this with some brokers, and it's just because they are small brokers, they don't have money to get quicker execution. That's why the big brokers, they have a lot of means. whenever you want to buy by the ask, they will give it to you right away. Okay? And you want to exit right away. If it is stop loss or market order, it should be less than a second. When just you submit, it's done. Okay? Now, for the chart I'm using, you can use it. It's not professional. It means it is not a big deal, but it has some features that it is so good. Making the lines, for example. When the stock opens, you should put the open, it means the open of the day at 9:30 with a blue line. You click blue line, you do it. Then, whenever you want to buy, you put a green line. Either you sell short or you buy long. It means just the price. Now, then you put the stop loss with a red line. Now, when you see the chart, it will be visual, very, very easy. If you see the stock is going up out of your green, and it's going up, you know that you are making money without looking at your broker. You see that. Whatever cents that you made, it's in green, you see that, and you know the price that you bought, and that's it. If it's going bad and it's going against you, you understand where the stock will be. You will be out of the stock, and you exit the stock. It is as easy as that. Okay. Another thing, you should use time frame. What is the time frame that it is better for you? You should do that according to what you like, not according to what someone has asked you to do. Okay? You can do 1 minute, but 1 minute is so quick. You can do 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on what you like. Now, you tell me, for example, how do I know? It means by practice. By practice. If your attention is like 3 minutes. 3 minutes from each candlestick, and then we have another candlestick, another candlestick, another candlestick. Each 3 minutes, each candlestick. So you see yourself, is it good for you? Have you good attention on these candlesticks? If you see that it is so quick for you, you can change to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on you, what you are comfortable with. Because a chart is for you to look at the price, because the price you can look it at any chart, you can use the line, you can use anything. That's why we use candlesticks, because it's the way we like the chart. Understand that before we don't have the chart, before like 100 years or more, how the traders, how do they do? You know what they do? They just see what is the price they buy, and then they see the ticker or the tape. They see just the tape. If you bought at 20, the ticker now is 25. What does it mean? You are making $500 for 100 shares that you bought. Okay? So they see the tape and they see where they buy. That's it. You don't need anything else. But right now, since we have the chart, it will be more visual, and you are at the comfort of your home. You are sitting in your home in the morning. Maybe you don't have the morning job, you have a second job, or maybe you have some business or whatever. Okay? Another important thing is, in the morning, you should look at the news. The news just give you the mood of the market. If you see that futures in the morning are going down, that means that maybe 90% the stock market will be down. If the futures are good, maybe the market is good. And you can, as I told you before, you can specialize in stock or some stocks or an index like an ETF. I showed you many times, for example, Dow Jones ETF, S&P 500 ETF, Russell 2000 ETF. I showed you many times in my videos. You can take these tickers and each morning you follow. If you want to trade them, yes, you do and you trade them. As you can see, these 2 days, in Thursday and Friday, they were red, and the market are going red the whole day. So whenever you buy at 9:30, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, whenever you buy, you are going to make some money because you see the day is going down, so you sell short. You don't need to buy a lot when you are a beginner. Try to do 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Don't put too much money into your trade until you master the trade, until you see the money. When you see the money, you are confident in yourself, and then you can trade with large trades, whatever money you have. But from the beginning, begin just easy. Don't put too much in the market. Another thing that I want to say to you guys is the market is not always going long. The market each day either up or down, so you should know how to sell short. If you go, for example, to my training level 11, how to sell short a stock, I will give you the details and how to assess risk and the techniques that I use in order to sell short. Okay? So these things with techniques, it takes some time, but sometimes a day is known. All the people in the morning, they see that it is bad news. All the market, you see everything is collapsing. So it's very easy to sell short because you see all the news in the morning, it is not good. Now, when there are good news, for example, last Sunday I make a video when President Trump has stopped these tariffs on China products. I told you that Monday will be good, and it was good day in the morning last week. But it doesn't mean that Tuesday will be good also, because there is no news. So the market collapsed. Okay? So the price is everything. Although you see news, you get an idea, but it doesn't mean that you are just going blindly to just sell short anything that you find. Okay? This is not true. So you should see the stock, you should see the ETF. If you are doing ETFs like the major indexes like Dow Jones, S&P 500 or Russell 2000, it's very clear. You see in the morning, if it is a bad day, everything will be collapsing. You don't need to go to stocks. You can go to stocks also, but you don't need to, since you see that everything is collapsing. Now, all these, what I say, is just recommendations. If you are day traders, you have already known all this stuff. Okay, this is just a reminder for those who are just beginners and they want just to start something. So I'm trying to help as much as I can in order just to go on track and begin to practice. For the chart, there is a free training. If you go to my website Djellala.net, you find it in the description. You go there and you find a free training about how to use the chart. It shows you everything you want to know, how to put the lines, how to know the time frames, how to make portfolios, how to search for stocks. You find everything you want to know in that chart. It is a good chart, and I hope you are using it for a long time if you are watching me for a long time. Okay? And understand that some people they do a business from it. This I will not tell you until 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, when you can make a company, an LLC, where you can trade. You become a day trader. Everything you lose, you can claim in your tax. It's not like when you have an individual account right now. If you have an individual account, you can't claim. You can claim only $3,000 each year. Let's say you lose a lot of money, but the tax, they will not get all what you lose, and they help you in your tax. For those who are really into day trading and have been day trading for many years, you should do what we call a business, an LLC, and then you start trading. Okay, you started trading, so everything, all the expenses that you have will be, if you make money, it will be very good, not to be taxed a lot. So this is later when you are doing good in day trading. And there is another thing. Stocks, it means you need to have money, but later, if you are good at day trading, you can go to forex, currency pairs. You can go to futures. Okay, you don't need a lot of money to go to futures and to forex. But the problem is that if you don't know how to trade, your account will be wiped out. So no one is going to be in forex and in futures if you don't know how to trade very well, because these vehicles of doing business is leveraged. It means with the small money you can make big money. So all the highest professional, they go, who have no big money, they go to futures, M&E and the other stuff, or they go to forex, because with the small money, if they know how to trade, they can make a lot of money. Okay, and for those who want just to get initiated to forex or to futures, try to see your brokers. Most of the brokers have lessons. These lessons is just to know the generalities. I know you will never learn anything in trading. They just give you the generalities, and you need those generalities, because stock market, like stocks, when you day trade stocks, they are not like forex or futures, because the risk is different. The risk in forex and futures is so big. It's so big because they are leveraged. It's like options. They are leveraged vehicles of doing business. So if you don't know how to trade them, you don't know how to assess risk, you will be losing all your money, because in few minutes, in futures, in few minutes, you can lose 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 in few minutes, 1 hour or two. So it's better to begin with the stocks, where you can assess the risk and protect your money as much as you can until you become a very good trader. There are a lot of things we should tell you about day trading, but this is just an introduction, and I have made other videos about day trading. If you are searching my channel, put day trading in my channel, you will find other videos. Please watch them, and this is a good start for you. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.